Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I'm Adam, and since the onset of the pandemic in early 2020, Walt Disney, ticker symbol DIS, has leaned on Disney Plus and other digital assets to counteract the strong COVID-related headwinds that besieged its theme park business. The tremendous growth of Disney Plus stunned investors and analysts alike, often resulting in considerable EPS beats. However, as impressive as Disney Plus' success has been, harmony between the company's traditional business and its up-and-coming streaming platforms had been lacking. That's until Q1 earnings. Okay, before we get too far into Disney's incredible earnings that smashed records, smash that like button for me, share this video, and click the first link in the description to get our top 10 stocks list and so much more. And if it's your first time watching, click that subscribe button. Thank you, my friends, for doing that. All right, with revenue more than doubling year over year to $7.23 billion in parks, experiences, and products, any fear that the Omicron variant slowed the segment's recovery was snapped away like Iron Man dusting Thanos. Disney's blowout report purged another major worry: Netflix. Netflix's disappointing earnings report and shockingly weak Q1 net subscription guidance of only 2.5 million raised concerns that Disney Plus would disappoint too. Those concerns seemed especially well crafted since Disney was coming off a disappointing Q4 in which it only added 2.1 million Disney Plus subscribers. Disney's sprawling international reach is one key attribute working in its favor. Another huge advantage in its corner is its ability to draw upon franchises that are already immensely popular. For instance, the Book of Boba Fett, which spawns off of the Star Wars franchise, was launched to great enthusiasm on Disney Plus on December 29th, 2021. These qualities helped Disney Plus add 11.8 million subscribers in Q4, taking the total to 130 million. The robust quarter also reassures investors that Disney can attain its goal of 230 to 260 million Disney Plus subscribers by the end of fiscal year 2024. In fact, during the earnings conference call, Disney's CEO reaffirmed his subscriber guidance. The upswing for Disney Plus is understandably receiving plenty of attention, but there are a couple other highlights that stand out too. Rather than recovered, booming may be a better word to describe the theme park business. Bolstered by the removal of mandatory COVID capacity restrictions and pent-up consumer demand, revenue reached record highs for Q4, which is why segment operating income soared to $2.5 billion compared to an operating loss of $100 million in the same quarter a year ago. This momentum is expected to continue as the Q2 demand pipeline for Walt Disney World and Disneyland remains strong. Easing fears about COVID in general also bodes well for the theme parks. Hulu, that's another standout. Hulu continues to be a true unsung hero for Disney's direct-to-consumer business, which generated revenue growth of 37% in Q4. Total Hulu subscribers climbed by 15% year over year to 45.3 million, while the average monthly revenue per subscriber climbed by 16% for live TV plus SVOD users. This streaming platform continues to benefit from the cord-cutting trend. This was a very impressive performance for Disney overall, but there are a couple of items that were less than magical. The linear networks business, cable and broadcasting, continues to struggle due to higher programming costs and modest advertising revenue growth. In Q4, the segment's operating income dropped by 13% year over year. Also, despite the solid subscriber growth, Disney Plus was the primary reason why the direct-to-consumer segment's operating loss worsened by 27% year over year to a loss of $600 million. These issues, though, have little impact on Disney's shares, since the primary focus remains on Disney Plus growth and the profound turnaround from the theme parks. Well, that's what I think about Disney's fantastic and magical earnings report. But I want to hear from you. What do you think about Disney's digital platforms nearly crossing 200 million subscribers this quarter? And remember, your comments make these videos so much better. Smash that like button, share this video, and click the first link in the description to get our top 10 stocks list and so much more. We've done the research so you don't have to. And if it's your first time watching, click that subscribe button. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.